Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was needing to clean out my purse, so I thought why not film it for you guys. First off, my purse is the Louis Vuitton Delightful and I love it. I thought I'll just take it out piece by piece and then I'll organize it as I put everything back in. But it's messy. I keep my house clean, I keep my car clean, my purse is a mess. Okay, so first we're gonna start with like receipts and bank deposits, more receipts, receipts, TJ Maxx, Ross, McDonald's, Dollar Tree. These are my talk notes from church. We go to Life Church and love it. If you guys are looking for one. My daughter's notes from church. Pretzels from church, and as you can see, they're open, so the rest are in my purse. Receipts, home goods, more chalk notes, gummy bears that are eaten, receipts, lists, medicine, because I wasn't feeling good last week. Got that, I can take out. Okay, every girl should carry this. It's a tiny little tape measure. It was from my grandpa that passed away, but if you're in a store and find a piece of furniture or a frame or something and you need to know how big it is, you should always keep one of these in your purse. Okay, this is my daughter's. She doesn't really have asthma, but she has trouble breathing, so I keep that in my purse. Trash, checkbook, more medicine, pen, another list, sunglasses holder with no sunglasses in them, 2 pairs of sunglasses. I need to put one of these up there and one in the box. Sucker, gum, more talk notes. I should really clean out my purse more often. A toy from a Happy Meal. My wallet, money, lip liner, and a ton of pretzels. I got a trash can over here for it. I knew they were at the bottom. So I'm gonna dump those out real fast. That's disgusting, guys. Okay, and then in my side pocket, straws. Press on nails with glue. Church cards. Wipes, and mace. You gotta be prepared. Okay, now that it's all cleaned out, I bought this a long time ago. I used to have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull that I used in this, and I just never put it into this one, so I'm gonna organize this and then get it back in my purse, and fingers crossed, it'll keep me organized. So, I'm gonna put the money in the wallet. And then into my container, along with my checkbook, pen, tape measure, mace, gum, lip liner. Guys, I'm not really wearing this lip liner anymore. I have a color stay on, and I actually heard about it on Keep Calm and Clean, and then Crispin Casper. Let's see, I'll grab it for you real fast. this is what I'm loving right now. And it stays on. I have to take it off at night. That's why it's not in my purse. It actually stays on all day. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in my bag. I have this bag and it's normally what I keep just extra makeup in. So lip liner, lip gloss. If I'm gonna be gone for a while, I'll put like my powder and powder brush in there. So keep that in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my nails back in the side pocket and my extra straw, wet wipe, and my sucker for my daughter to keep her happy. And then I'll pick a pair of glasses out. So I'll pick these. They're kind of my favorites right now. Put those in here. And then I always have to keep this in my purse just to be safe. And I think that's it. The rest of this, like talk notes and receipts, are all Christmas gifts and stuff. So I can trash that. This was trash. The medicine I'll just put back in the cabinet, and I'll give this to my daughter to play with. So that is it. That is what's in my bag. And I do love this bag. It's a good size. I like it better than the Neverfull. It has a wide strap. I carry a lot in my purse, obviously. So I feel like it's just more comfortable on my shoulder. So I'm having fun doing this channel. If you guys like it, please hit the subscribe button so I can continue on. I'll see you again soon. Bye.